Hey kindergartners! In today's lesson, we are going to be talking about students jumping on desks. It's a tune you might know, but the words might be a little bit different. So, in our story, we have 5 kindergarten students who were jumping on top of their desks. And we're going to find out what happens. You ready? Wiggle your fingers to show your kindergartners jumping on their desks. 5 little students jumping on the desk. One fell off and bumped her head. The teacher called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more students jumping on the desks." So, what happens when we had 5 students but one fell off? How many do we have now? That's right, we have 4. So let's do the next version. 4 little students jumping on a desk. One fell off and bumped his head. The teacher called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more students jumping on the desk." So we had 4 students jumping and one fell off. So how many do we have now? You got it, 3. Here we go. 3 little students jumping on their desks. One fell off and bumped her head. The teacher called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more students jumping on their desks." We had 3 students jumping. One fell off, so now how many would we have? We have to take one away. Now we have 2 students jumping on the desks. 2 little students jumping on the desk. One fell off and bumped his head. The teacher called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more students jumping on the desks." So we had 2. One fell off. How many do we have left? Just 1 little student. Here we go. 1 little student jumping on the desk. One fell off and bumped her head. The teacher called the doctor, and the doctor said, "No more students jumping on the desks." So if we had 1 and 1 fell off, we have 0 left. So now I'm going to show you what we just did with a model. So here are 5 students who are jumping. I chose to make circles because remember, circles are easier than trying to draw 5 kindergarten students. But when 1 fell off, what should we do? How should we represent 1 child leaving the group? I'm going to draw an X over that student. We had 5, and when we take away 1, how many do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 5 take away 1 is 4. 5 take away 1 is 4. So then when we have our next student fall off, we have 4, and 1 more student falls off. So now how many do we have? What's 4 take away 1? It's 3. 1, 2, 3. Because when we have 4 and we take away 1, now we only have 3. Well, now we have 3 students, and what happens when we take away 1? If we have 3 students and we take away 1, we have 2. 3 take away 1 is 2. Now when we have 2 and we take away 1, how many will be left? Once we cross off this one, how many will be left? Just 1. And last but not least, we only have 1 student, and 1 take away 1 is 0. They're all crossed off. We're going to be talking a lot more about taking away as we continue in this math module. Very excited about it. See you later, kindergarten.